Hi guys, I'm back today with my paper gang. My name's Fawn. I'm trying to figure loads of things out. I'd really love your help and I'd love you to come along for the ride with me. I'm looking at things like I'm over 40, over 50, over 60, fashion, beauty, home, lifestyle, you name it. I'm looking at it. I have a little bit of an addiction to stationery, I must admit. So this is my guilty pleasure paper gang. It's only my second ever box, so, and once again it's by Oh Dear. I just love the name of that company. It makes me smile every time I see it. And this week's has got, or this month's I should say, has got fish and shrimp and all manner of creatures all over it. So I'm really hopeful. So let's just get into it. Don't forget, please do subscribe, comment, ring the bell, give the thumbs up. It really helps me grow my channel because I'm loving doing this and I want to do more and more and more with you guys. But you'll never even know I'm out there if people don't like what I'm doing. That's awful. Anyway, oh, it's pink. Pink today. I won't bother reading through the top bit again. I read through it last time. All about, you know. But I will say for every 4 boxes they plant a tree. Yay. I'm hoping I don't look too bad here, you know. I'm filming in my conservatory. I thought different location. I've got a horrible feeling it's going to be a disaster. I think my dogs are going to start screaming and the phone is going to start ringing. Let's get back into the paper gang thing. So first in is washi tape. And yeah, that has little fishes and crabs and creatures all over it, so that's really cute. So obviously it's an under the sea theme, so I get the package out. The washi tape was separate, so okay, so it's an under the sea theme, or under the sea, or at the sea, I don't know. I feel like it's going to be under the sea. Lots of pretty pink paper. Oh, and the cutest little key ring. Can you see that? Look at that key ring. A little crab keyring. That's really cute. Okay, then what does it say in the book? Okay, your limited edition contents are by Julia and Lorena. It's got a distinctly fishy feel. Oh, Don Fisher is the brand behind the designs for this month's box. And so Julia and Lorena actually work and they came, yeah, work for that firm, work for Bonitos, Don Fisher's Bonitos, and they work for it, and that's how they came up. Oh, so Don Fisher is a character that they've created. He's their captain who sails the seas. So they make lots of, oh, really nice. So they make lots of things that are to do with the sea, and that's why it's Don Fisher. And this is going to be just such a rubbish video, but never mind. Okay, and we also get a leaflet for packed coffee. Got this month's card. I must get one of these little stands. You know, there are these little stands that you can push these in now that I am getting this box every month, because this is this month's box. This is this month's calendar. Oh my God, the dog has started barking. Someone has started a lawnmower going. I am doomed with this video. Next up, I have the cutest little notebook. Please don't scream, Mimi. It's got lime on the inside and it's almost like a, I was going to say it's leopard print, but it's not. It's just spots all over. It was really pretty. Nice little notebook, lined. And card which I could put in a frame, I suppose, couldn't I, and put it on the wall, and it tells you about the fish. So that's a St. Peter fish, that's a redfish, that's a blue bream, and this one is a sole. Now I don't know what, wouldn't imagine they I was just about to say I don't know whether these are the right colours. Have you ever seen fish that colour? Oh dear, dear, dear. We're having really heavy weather here today. We're supposed to be getting storms and all sorts. And there's a bit of me that's like, bring on the storm, because it is affecting my brain. That is absolutely for sure. It is affecting my brain. Okay, and then finally, a fishy notepad. Just plain white on the back. Little fishies. So you can write notes and leave notes for people. So that was that. Notepad, card, little notebook, month calendar, you know, page of the month, of the calendar month, washi tape, and a really cute keyring. So that wasn't bad, really. Maybe, I think I preferred last month's. But it is cute. I'm sure I can find someone who loves fishy things and will give them, I'll probably give that notebook away. Cute as it is, it's not really my taste. But I think the keyring is super cute. And you can always use washi tape, can't you? So that was my papergang box. Now I'm trying to do something that's slightly unedited. Or, well, you know I do a lot of unedited. But I signed up to something called Flowers by Flourish, or Flourish Flowers. There are a lot of flower subscription companies out there, and they usually do bouquets and so on. But I found that this company will do garden plants. And we've just had a new piece of patio done, and I needed to fill it with flowers. I mean, all, you know, digging it all out to put the patio down and everything, it destroyed everything in sight. And I'm buying all my usuals, but I'm not a great gardener. I love roses, I love hydrangeas, I love all sorts of things. But I'm not, you know, I wasn't lucky enough to have grandparents that were really good at these sorts of things. So I decided to sign up, because I thought then every month, oh, here comes my cat, every month, you're going to see a tail go by in a minute, I think. Every month, yes, there it is, there's Ethel's tail. I would get some plants for my garden, and it might sort of push me into using some plants that I've never tried before, and you know, just, I don't know, an outdoor thing that might expand my knowledge base. So that's what I signed up for. So let me get the box, because I was very confused about this. I tried to film this once before, and I opened the box, and and inside was a grapevine, a big grapevine. But I was like, I can't use that outside, it's Britain. I had grapevines, would it work? Thinking about it, I'm probably going to put it in, I have a greenhouse. When we built this house, well, not built it from scratch, we renovated it. One of the things we did was put in a greenhouse, because as I say, I really want to learn how to garden. So I shall put it out there, and then maybe we'll get some really yummy grapes next year. But I was really confused. I was like, wow, this is not what I thought. And then this parcel arrived. So I'm going to stop yammering on, open it up, because at the moment the dogs are being quiet. And have I said who I am? Oh, well, I'm Fawn anyway, if I have or I haven't. You know, this weather is killing me. I'll just separate these boxes. So there's two toolboxes. We'll start with this one. It says, please leave safe without fail on the outside of it. Pull it open, if I can. Oh, what's in here? What is this? Oh, gosh, I'm making a hash of opening this box, aren't I? Right, and I have in here, what is it? Flowers by Flourish, Flower Care. Oh, it's an Asti. Can you see? If I put it on there, you should be able to see it's an Asti. So that's really pretty. Don't know much about them. Just open it up. I wonder if it's meant to be quite as brown. I don't know. But it's cool. Just pull the plastic down without hurting the plant. There we go. That's really pretty, isn't it? And it's a decent size. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's a decent size. So I bought some plants just recently from a few different, I'm not going to name any of them. And they come in like 9cm pots. They're tiny. They're tiny little things. I don't know how I'm ever going to grow them. But anyway, this is an Asti. There's no real information on the card other than to say they like to be in sun or partial sun. They like to be watered. They can't be eaten. And they're bee friendly. So if I just show you, that's what's on the back. So I don't know any more about Asti, but if you do, please let me know. I'm hoping it will spread and become nice and big Doesn't say, normally on these cards it will say, oh, you know, this is going to grow to this much, but it doesn't say it. So anyway, happy with that, happy to get an asty. And it looks like it's sort of white flowers on it, which will be really pretty actually. And then I have another box here. Just open. You'll see all my lovely, the faces that I pull so beautifully when I'm heaving a box of, oh, this is a rose. What kind of rose? Yes. Pull it out of the boxes. Oh, it's very pretty. Really so pretty. I'm hoping there's a card which will tell me what variety it is, so that if I want another one I can buy it. Doesn't look like there is. Isn't that just so pretty? I mean, I would call that patio rose, wouldn't you? No, there's no card. I don't think it will say anything actually on the pot. I'm not doing this very well, am I? I wanted you to be involved in what's going on in my life. So, and this is what's in my life at the moment. No, there is nothing written on the pot. It's a beautiful little rose though, goodness gracious. So that one doesn't even have, is there anything in the box that would give some information? Sorry, I'm flopping on the floor where I threw the boxes. No, nothing in the boxes. So it's a beautiful little rose. As I said, I would call that a patio rose or a pot rose. Again, probably the wrong thing, but it just doesn't say what kind of flower it is, you know, what variety it is. So, this month from them, I got a humongous grapevine, a really rather beautiful big asty, and I'm saying asty, but I hope that's how you say it, and a rose. So for month one, that's not bad. That's 3 plants. 3 plants I wouldn't have, and 3, well, I was going to say 3 I wouldn't buy, 2 I wouldn't have bought. I wouldn't have bought the grapevine, and I don't know if I'd have bought the asty because I don't know whether they're easy or difficult. I may very well have bought the rose just because, well, who doesn't love roses? And they are so kind to gardeners like me who don't really know what they're doing. So if you know any more about plants, maybe recognise that variety, know how asties grow and what I should do to help them along, or whether they're just a really forgiving plant and I can just whick them in the soil, make sure they're watered and they'll do their own thing, please let me know. And now my dogs are starting. Oh no! Shush! This is my life at the moment. These dogs are driving me demented. If I didn't love them, I'd kill them. That was me. I'm going to get off before this goes any more crazy here, before these dogs get any louder, before I need to kill somebody. I was Fawn. I'm trying to figure things out. I'm trying to figure out some plants. And yeah, that was me. Bye. What a disaster.